Name is Tim here at Feldmann Imports. I'm the tire and wheel specialist here. Today we're just kind of show you some other services that we do offer here. We do wheel and rim repair for your vehicle. You got some curb rash or hit something and it scrapes off the wheel. We can take care of that for you in-house. We have a technician here that can offer that service for you. Lucas has been been doing this about 6 years now. We do offer color changes also. If you'd like to spruce up your vehicle, we can paint your barrels. We can have fun with it and make your vehicle one of a kind. We always recommend to stick with your original equipment wheels. When you go aftermarket, sometimes you mess with the offsets and you could mess with the drive of the vehicle. We always want to keep it original. That's what the vehicle is built for. Lucas is here 4 or 5 days a week, so we can typically get the vehicle done same day, if not in a day or two, while we have your vehicle here for other services, so we can do it all at the same time for you. So if this is something you'd like to have done, reach out to our Business Development Center and they can schedule you an appointment to have your wheels taken care of. If it's going to take a few days, we're happy to get you into a loaner. We do have a fleet over 50 vehicles. If you have other vehicles at your house that's not a Mercedes, we can still take care of those for you too.